Fishing is a demanding profession carried out in an environment that is hostile and aggressive for the equipment. ALTELA has been making netting material for fishing net manufacturers since 1990 in its factories in France. Its industrial and human resources are the most advanced in technological terms. ALTELA uses materials of the highest standard with the strength that is essential for making your fishing nets. Cable twisting, weaving, braiding and stabilizing the netting to meet the very high levels of performance guaranteed by ALTELA. ALTELA makes regular meshing, cables and rope that are resistant and stable over time. This is achieved through the specific innovations developed by ALTELA. For woven or cabled nets, its pool of modern machines allows it to manufacture the commonly used types of netting, even with exceptional dimensions. All the batches of nets are inspected by the ALTELA quality department, guaranteeing the strength and diameter of the nets. The net manufacturers in Europe, with their renowned know-how, gain in reliability, competitiveness, transport times, stock volumes and payment times by using netting made by ALTELA for their nets.